Welcome to the advanced course on Aerodrome visual aids. In this section, we will focus on Apron visual aids, specifically other visual aids that are crucial for safe and efficient airport operations. We will explore the markers, signs, and lights found on the apron, and how they denote unserviceable or restricted use areas and obstructions. By the end of this section, you'll be able to identify key markers and understand their significance. Airports may use markers to aid the safety and operational efficiency of aircraft and vehicle movements. Markers that you may come across on the apron include taxiway and apron edge markers. Cones used to denote the safety area around an aircraft. Aircraft engine run cones. Blue taxiway edge markers may be used in lieu of taxiway edge lights to delineate the edges of taxiways, particularly at night. Where they do not need to be seen at night, yellow cones may be used to denote taxiway and apron edges. Safety cones may be used to maintain separation between airside personnel, vehicles, and aircraft to create a safety buffer around specific areas of the aircraft. Aircraft engine run cones are placed around the aircraft during engine runs to ensure the area remains clear and safe. What does it mean when you see a yellow X marking? A yellow X marking indicates a taxiway, or a portion thereof, that is closed. This may be for maintenance or due to construction activities. Barriers or other means may also be used to identify the closed area. The taxiway lights will be switched off, except those required for maintenance purposes, and you may also see unserviceability lights along the entrance to the closed area. Where a taxiway is permanently closed, the normal markings will be removed. There may be situations where a portion of a taxiway, apron, or holding bay is unfit for the movement of aircraft and vehicles, but the serviceable areas may still be accessed safely when complemented by adequate procedures. For example, there may be a hole in a taxiway or apron pavement, a portion of the apron pavement that is under repair, or construction works being undertaken. In this situation, the unserviceable area will be marked by devices such as marker boards with alternate red and white or orange and white vertical stripes are used to denote unserviceable areas. Unserviceability flags will generally be red, orange or yellow or any combination of these colors in combination with white. Unserviceability cones or witches' hats, generally in red, orange, or yellow, or any combination of these colors often combined with white, are used to mark unserviceable areas. At night, these aids are supplemented with red lights. For detailed specifications on visual aids for restricted use areas, refer to Annex 14, Volume 1, Chapter 7. It's crucial to mark and light obstacles to ensure pilots and drivers can see them clearly. Examples of fixed obstacles that must be clearly identified include buildings, aero bridges, masts, pylons, bridges, cooling towers, communication masts and cables. Fixed obstacles can be highlighted using markings and lighting to ensure they are visible and avoid accidents. Surface of large obstacles are painted with alternating orange and white or red and white markings. Smaller obstacles may be painted in a single conspicuous color. Markers or flags may also be used to make obstacles more conspicuous. Obstacles are fitted with white or red static or flashing lights to ensure visibility at night or in low visibility conditions. Mobile obstacles, such as vehicles, also need to be marked and, if necessary, lighted to ensure they are visible, especially at night or in low visibility conditions. Vehicles should be painted in conspicuous colors to ensure visibility. The color to be used depends on the vehicle's purpose. ICAO recommends red or yellowish green for emergency vehicles, yellow for service vehicles. Colored flags may also be used to denote mobile objects. Vehicles operating on the airside use rotating beacons or flashing lights to increase their visibility at night or in poor visibility conditions. The color of the lights on the vehicle depends on its purpose. Other airside vehicles: yellow, amber; emergency or security vehicle, blue. For detailed specifications on visual aids for obstacles and obstructions, refer to Annex 14, Volume 1, Chapter 6. Let's discuss a few questions to refresh our understanding. What does a large yellow X on an apron taxiway mean? Correct. A large yellow X signifies that the taxiway is closed. Construction work areas can be marked using which type of markers? Correct. Construction work areas may be marked using cones, flags, marker boards, or all of the above. Unserviceability cones, also known as witches' hats, are typically red, orange, or yellow, or any combination of these colors in combination with white. Is it true or false? Correct. Unserviceability cones are generally red, orange, or yellow, or a combination of these colors with white. What is the correct color of the beacons on the vehicle to be used at night and during low visibility conditions? Emergency or security vehicles use blue beacons, while other airside vehicles use yellow, amber beacons. This concludes part 1, which focused on apron visual aids. I hope you are enjoying the session. Next, we'll move on to part 2, covering visual aids used on runways and taxiways. Stay tuned.